Find the values of 5 other trigonometric functions if cot x is equal to 3 by 4, x lies in the third quadrant. Okay, so we have a triangle here. Cot x equal to 3 by 4 would mean this is 3 and this is 4. So we need to find the third side. What is this side? Let's just call it A. So using Pythagoras theorem, so by Pythagoras theorem, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to a squared, or a squared is equal to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25, or a squared is equal to 25, or a is equal to plus minus root of 25, or a is equal to plus or minus 5. So a is equal to 5. Why plus 5? Because this is the side of a triangle, more appropriately the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, so the distance would not be negative. Okay, so a is equal to 5, whatever unit that is. We are asked to find the value of 5 other trigonometric functions if cot x is equal to 3 by 4. So cot x is given to us, that is 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4, which means tan x would be 4 by 3, because tan x is just the reciprocal of cot x. Next we have sin x. So the magnitude of sin x from this triangle, it looks like it is 4 by 5. Okay, but it says that x lies in the third quadrant, so in this quadrant, right? So ASTC rule, this is an informal rule that helps us in assigning signs to trigonometric functions. So in the first quadrant, all functions are positive. In the second quadrant, only sine is positive. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, and in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So it says x lies in the third quadrant. So in this case, sine x would be negative 4 by 5. So consequently, since cosec x is just a reciprocal of sine x, this would be minus 5 by 4. Okay, and then we have cos x. So cos x is 3 by 5. But since the angle lies in the third quadrant, cos is negative, so this is negative 3 by 5, and consequently sec x would be negative 5 by 3, because it is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, and there we have it. That's our answer.